Hello, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Samsung microwave. The problem with this microwave is that the door doesn't stay closed. You can see. So the door is not staying closed. What we are going to do here, we will repair this. For this issue, the part of the door is broken from inside. To fix this, we really have to replace the whole door assembly. The microwave is kind of getting old. It's in a stage that it's not worth fixing or it is replacing it with the part. But if we can repair it like a handy person, do a small repair here, then it's worth fixing. So to open the door, this trim piece needs to come off. I have a pry bar. I recommend using a plastic. If you don't have a plastic and you're okay and you know what you're doing, then you can use this. I'll just hold it. So you don't have to take the trim piece off completely, but you just open it like this. So if you get closer here, can you also hold this please? You see this hook, the door hook? It's coming off, and the spring, this is the spring that has fallen off from here. So by this spring, there's a little small clip piece. Half of the spring goes at the bottom and it kind of sits like that. But this part is part of the door, it's broken. We need a new door, or we can repair this. So the spring was originally looking small like that, so I have to stretch it, and then it's like this now. And I also drilled a hole here. There's a little small hole, and with the drill bit I had to create a hole all the way at the bottom like that. And now we got the hole. I will install this hook back in. And then this part of the hook goes where I drilled the hole. Stuff like that. And there's another clip here right there. There's a extra piece. Half of the spring goes and sits there, just like that. And then now we can close our door. And I'll close the door now. It's fixed. Can you turn on the power, please? It's already boiling. It's fixed.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.